We have this year launched a summer program on the keys to French luxury at our Paris campus. The program is targeted for undergraduate students or students who have already done their undergrad degree and they are looking for career in marketing or to pursue a degree in marketing. The summer program also includes field trips, walking tours in Paris, cultural activities combined with academic sessions and guest lectures.
My name is Pernilla. I'm from Oslo in Norway. I'm in a master's degree in Norway, so I wanted to add on that as well as doing something useful for my career.
My name is Mark Midden. I'm from Halifax, Nova Scotia, Canada. I really enjoyed the way the school showed us around the city and brought us on different tours and took us to different events.
My name is Axa Pleites and I'm from El Salvador. I like so far the field trips because it's a great opportunity to get to know all these luxury brands and live the experience.
Hi, I'm Angelica. I'm from San Francisco, California. I enjoyed the structure of the program because it includes both visits around Paris to various fashion-related institutes as well as class time.
We also have other summer programs at our Rennes campus in different areas, for example, doing business in France or artificial intelligence. Feel free to explore our website for further information and don't hesitate to contact Rennes School of Business team if you have any questions.